everybody, we're here today to tell you about our next event, which is Yarn Discovery Tour. That is our Yarn Discovery Tour is our local yarn shop crawl that takes place all through the month of September. It starts literally the day after Labor Day and extends until the 26th or something this year. It's 3 full weeks of yarn party. We have 17 shops, I think, participating this year in the Northeast Ohio area. But the great thing is you don't have to live in Northeast Ohio to participate. For the last few years, we've been doing it as an in-person or an online experience. So you can visit us as well as all the other shops online and introduce yourself to new vendors and new shops in case you want to travel to the area and visit some of the yarn shops on your trip. So the Yarn Discovery Tour is a whole experience. We sell a passport, so you buy a passport which has a page for every shop. And when you visit the shop, you will spend $10. So it's not like you have to spend $50. It's just a $10 spend. You'll get your passport will be stamped. You'll get a button. You'll get a chance for a raffle ticket in each shop. So each shop will have a raffle basket, something like this. Although there's nothing really like this. Our raffle basket is going to be our mystery wool along kit along with our new best knitter in the wool wide world bag. So you'll get a chance to win that. And if you spend $10, you'll get a free pattern. So we have both crochet and knit patterns, and we have featured yarn for the tour. So the first thing you have to do is go to our website and buy yourself a passport. It costs $8, and when you purchase your passport, you will receive a tote bag and anything else? No. Then once the tour begins after September 6th, so the passports will be available starting on August 29th, and the tour begins on September 6th. So once September 6th rolls around, you can either shop online or come into the store, spend $10 or more, and you'll receive a stamp on your passport, a button to put on your bag, and a raffle ticket for the shop giveaway. Now, our featured pieces and yarns are, along with our own, of course, we have special colors of Feederbrook Farm, these really fun highlighter, bright fluorescent skeins. And these are self-striping gradient shades. They always go quick during Yarn Discovery Tour. So again, order early if you want these. These are really great colors. They're so fun and bright. They make great accessories for winter to go with your, gray or brown coat or black. Yeah. So what are your choices? If you are a crocheter, we have a cool little color work cap. It is, I don't have the designer's name in front of me. I feel bad. Anyway, it's the cutest thing. This is super cute, and this is made with the reflection color, the green combination, and our Better Breakfast DK in Americano. So that really dark black. But these colors go with a remarkable number of other colors in our natural lineup. And then the knitted pattern option is a cowl that I designed. It's called Funicula, like the song.
Throw it on me.
So yeah. Oh, you wore the perfect shirt.
I know, I planned this.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I didn't plan it. So this is the what do we call this colorway? the Luminous Flux colorway.
I just know I like this color.
Yeah, fluorescent pinks and oranges and yellows with Modern Deco Sport in titanium as the white background color. And see how the bands, the color bands, just gradually make a really nice gradient. And in the long cowl, the striping is a little narrower, but in the short cowl, the striping is a little bit deeper, so you get wider stripes, more shadowy.
There's a
shades.
movie. These remind me of. It's an animated movie with
the Bad Robot.
Yeah, that's what they look like, little robots.
And to me, they kind of look like tram cars, which is why it's called Funicula. So this is the short cowl. I can throw this on. So it's long enough to pull up and cover your ears. Again, when you're walking the dog, every layer helps, or over your face.
Cute.
Yeah. And then, in case we do run out of the Yarn Discovery Tour colors, which we always do,
I can crochet. I think I need to make this hat. It's cute.
I like this. We knitted this
cute.
sample in another one of our other shades, our kind of stock shades of Feederbrook, called Thermal Expansion.
Yeah, Thermal
Expansion. It's beautiful, like woodsy fall colors, and we paired it with the new shade of Kent DK Folkstone, that new gray shade that we made up during the wool along. So, you know, if you don't want to, if you don't want a super bright option with a lot of contrast, this is more subtle and autumnal for the season. So anyway, Yarn Discovery Tour kicking off on September 6th. You can buy your passports starting on August 29th. And we look forward to seeing you here or online.